taking y'all through what I consider I messed up on my room from the very beginning. I was in a big hurry because we were moving, and I threw up 8-foot ceiling, traditional 16-inch center stud, 21-inch center joist framing. It just looked like a regular house. And now that I'm about to grow, because I have to now go another room, I had hopes of going a second story. And if I would have done 7-foot ceilings, I would have a nice second story up there. So what I'm going to have to do is take all this down. Sure, sounds easy enough, but remember, this is also my iguana room. I already have lots and lots of iguanas in. So what I will be doing, I'm emptying out all the water and get the cages out in this space. And then break this whole building down piece by piece, cutting my studs a foot shorter. That would give me plenty of room still with a 6-foot cage and my lighting on top. I don't know if you can see that. There's a lot of room there. There's almost 2 foot there. So this will be the project and what I'll be filming to get all of these guys and get 2 stories on this. Anybody want to check out something? Baby iguana. Reds and blues. Alright. Quite a mess. So basically, I mean, as far as the covering, it's pretty easy. The aluminum paneling, insulated paneling, take all that down, but then take it. So I had to take all the cages and rebuild it. That was fun. I didn't rebuild them, but I had to move them. So now I get to redo this room, which is not cool. And I need to do it because it's late August and I'll start getting some cooler weather here soon. And so I gotta hurry. So we'll see how this works out. I got another video before I started tearing everything down, and it's somewhere in the archives, and I'll find it and put it together and try to make this a more formal kind of better put together, nice little thunder, better video for us to watch. And it's not really just showing you what's happening. It's like not perfect, so I thought it would be kind of interesting to watch this play out and see how many fingers I got left after I'm done. Alright, thanks. Nope, that just turned it black and white. Still recording. Alright, so you see I've already started taking down most of the iguana room. And this is about where I am at. Completely empty, no iguanas. Gotta start pulling all this stuff off. Got a few panels left. Then I'll pick this thing apart piece by piece, cut down the wall studs 1 foot, put everything back together, and do it again. But this, alright, quick look. I'm about halfway through the rafters, and this is a pain in the butt. So you just gotta hit them with a hammer up. Lay them down, then I gotta find a place to put them. Take apart the sticks. Like I said, cut down 1 foot. Little quick update. Alright, here we go. Again, real quick. So that back wall is what it looks like at 7 foot. right underneath the fan. Maybe you're surprised what a foot makes. So that's the difference in the wall height and the ceiling height. Right there. With all this great mess I've had. Listen, hold on. Ugly stick. So, this is how you tear apart an entire building inside of a building without taking any of the building outside. Probably the dumbest thing I've ever done construction-wise. Because it's kind of building. Alright, so that's two walls. Now, that one over there, this one here, and it's got that wall over there, this wall right here. So, I'm about 2 weeks into this, and here I am. But I'm just happy to do a little bit each day. Get it's hot outside. So, if you ever want to learn what happens when you do things wrong the first time, just keep this video saved. It just costs me so much time and effort to redo this backwards. Alright. Alright, hey guys, we're getting closer and closer to bringing that reptile room down to 7 foot. As you can tell, I'm completely wore out. I'm trying to fight through the rest of this evening and do as much as I can. I didn't even comb my hair. I just took off the hat and started working. These are my old work clothes. And but let me show you how far we've come. We've gotten it down. So remember, let's see. So I still have room. My cages are all 6 foot tall, so it makes them about yay high. And then I still got room for lights and stuff. So it works out. I'm not trying to sell this place as any kind of room or square footage for a house. Afterwards, I'll tear it all down and they can have the shed back the way they want it. So almost there. Almost there. I don't know how much of this I'm going to cut and edit. It's kind of along. I think I've got 5 videos. I've been working on this for probably a month now. Almost there. Got the majority of the work out of the way. I got everything down 7 foot. Just got to put up all the ceilings and walls. And before I get the cages in, I actually put in lights. Half my videos you hear me saying, man, one day I'm going to put in lights. I got lights. So I'm excited about that. And all you guys that have subscribed in the last month and I haven't had a chance to say hi and thank you, appreciate it so much. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please feel free to go ahead and like it or dislike it, talk about it on Facebook. I'm just trying to be here and we can, I love iguana. Everybody to share that with me and any experiences you got as well. But until I cut and clip again, thank you. Bye. Alright, see how long it takes to do noise test.